Granada, I'm crawling under your fence. And if you could stroke in the night in this cricket moonlight, Abanes, the one as long forgotten. Abanes, that wave and silent magic in Granada today. Canyon, anti-aircraft, torpedo, machine gun, Granada. Bomba, dinamita, garan, arma light, Granada. Rifle, 45, pistola, Baltic shotgun, batuta. Mortar, tirador, Indian pana, balisong, Carbine Thompson, automatic rifle, surit-surit basuka. Grease gun, time bomb, Chicorno, Chaco, and Granada. Tampilan, kutsilyo, sundang, tabak, garote, jodo, karate, Granada. Boxing, basketball, wrestling, cocinero, houseboy, gardenero, housemaid, mayordomo. Driver, konduktor, pasahero, inspektor, konsyero, foreman, kapatas, el camionero. And when this done, aeroplano, helicopter, Granada. Barko, submarino, ambot, buitis, levantador, Granada. Barbero, abogado, inhinyero, maestro, supervisor, doktor, nurse, pasyente, attendants, piloto, steward, artista, radio announcer, director, producer, cameraman, tendera, waitress, hostess, manager, masahista, security guard, la bandera. Then moonlit Granada is very sweet, the fruit that I like to eat, romantic and gay. Ole. In every afternoon, 3 o'clock, I read your letter. Ahay, sa may bintana. Ahay, sabay ang luha. And then every evening until midnight, I couldn't sleep tight. Because I'm longing for you. Because I'm longing for you. Enero, Pebrero, hinihintay kita, hindi ka dumating. Lumagpas ng Marso, I've been waiting for you hanggang April. Sumapit ang Mayo, ako'y nalulungkot nung pista sa atin. Pagkat ika'y wala, di ka nakapiling. Lumipas ng Hunyo, Hulyo, Agosto, ay wala ka pa rin. I've been longing for you, my heart is aching. I cannot wait longer, I'm always crying. If you cannot come home, I look for another. Hirap kasi itong nobya kong sexy dancer. Buhat nang nag-abroad, nakalimutan na ako ang kanyang boyfriend. Ang mga sulat ko'y di na niya pansin. Tagal nang nag-abroad, nasa Olongapo sa isang beer garden. Hanggang nag-September, hanggang nag-October, ika'y wala na. Ang paghihintay ko sa'yo, darling, ay wala ng pag-asa. Hanggang nag-November, hanggang nag-December, muling nagpasko na. I'm still waiting for you, darling, nasaan ka? Enero, Pebrero, Marso, Abril, Mayo, Disyembre, come back to me. In every afternoon, 3 o'clock, I read your letter. Ahay, sa may bintana. Ahay, sabay ang luha.